It blows my mind that we would even sit here as human beings and say, yeah, GM says in little as 5,000 miles you could have a misfire.
Yeah.
Now, would they consider that a warranty issue, or do they say, well, that's a lack of maintenance? Because, God forbid, they're going around touting that you can go 7,500 miles on a oil change timer, the percentage timer.
Yeah, yep.
So back to the warranty, 5,000 miles, my Chevy Equinox just got a misfire. I take it to the dealer, and the service advisor says, well, sir, you did not maintain your car. And the customer's like, okay, automatically red flag. Wouldn't you say? I would. I'd be like, what are you talking about? It's got 5,000. I haven't even made the second payment on this bitch and it's misfiring. Wouldn't that be a warranty situation? Do they condition people? What is the standard procedure now in trying to sell this?
Well, the face of the manufacturer, to the customer at least, is the service advisor. So it's up to them to really be that coach and that advocate and make sure they're aware of what the manufacturer recommends for the enhanced maintenance. As far as warranty, yes, GM's latest bulletin, they'll pay for a BG induction service under warranty to correct this issue. So it is, and they'll pay for it. And